It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit that I'm wearing, and this is the Outre lace front INDIRA. I believe that's the name. And I got it in the color 2T35099J, and I love oh my gosh, like this color combination, it is bomb. Outre, if you're watching this video, make more color, make more of this color in other units, like, and thank me later, because this color is just bomb. It is just bomb.com. So this comes with your standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 combs in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it is ear to ear, like it stopped me right there, and it's right there, so you can definitely lay this down. And the hairline, it is not bad. Like, look at that. And yeah, the hairline is pretty decent. You don't have to do much to it. And for shedding, I'm getting shedding and tangling. Like, look at that. Can you see? Look at the ends. The ends are already a hot mess. So that's definitely a no for me. Like, like I want to cut it. I'm always wanting to cut unit. It's crazy. So this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I don't know why anybody would want to put heat in this hair. So on here, on the back, it comes with like your carrot guide instruction. I hope you can see that. If not, oh well. And it's available in all the colors. So that's pretty neat. And this is my first unit where the parting space is not in the middle. I am a middle part kind of girl, 100%. But a side part, it's not looking bad. You know what? I think I look cute in the side part. I might have to buy more wigs in this with a side part, because I am loving this. And this is the parting space. Oh, I'm I'm used to my parting space being in the middle, so, but this is the parting space right here, and it is not bad. I guess this is like 4 inches deep, and I didn't have to do anything to it. And it has baby hair for those of you who wants to lay your baby hair down, but I just lay a little bit of it down right here, which I'm like really proud of myself, because I didn't do too much, but it looks nice. Oh, oh my gosh. It just sucks that it's like, just from me recording, look at it. It is a hot mess. Like, I love the color. I really, really love the color on this unit, but with the shedding and tangling, it's a no. It is a hard no. I am not gonna repurchase this unit, and I wouldn't recommend you purchasing it. Like, you can purchase it if you want because of the color. Like, that's the only reason I would recommend it, because of the color, and you can cut it if you want. Like, but other than that, I definitely wouldn't recommend it. And I love the curl pattern too. And I don't like how the bangs curl is a little different from the rest of it, which is like what were you doing? But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what the unit looks like all around. So this is the front, obviously, the side, the back, like all of the hair, and this is the other side, and back to the front. I keep getting hair in my eye, but yeah, I really wish this unit wouldn't tangle as much as it's doing. Like, it's cool for it to tangle a little bit, but excessively, like, you have to carry a comb around with you to comb it out. Let me get a comb. Like, to just comb it out. Or you can carry a brush too. You know, just so it's not a hot bird nest on your hair. Because this is what it's feeling like. But other than that, I am loving it. I love it. But even though I wouldn't recommend it, but I like it. I like the color and the style. Like, I didn't know I looked this good in a side part. But, and I look cute. I look cute or whatever. Like, okay, let me stop it. But if you reach this far in this video, that means you like what you see. So come on and join the family by subscribing and hitting your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. All right, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.